When you come to Bud's Pizza and Beer, you can expect great pizza and the coldest beer in town. And in order to be able to do that, we needed the equipment to be able to support it. We knew going into this concept that we were going to be using True. We knew they would be able to provide the equipment we needed, the support. It allows for us not to have any downtime that you experience with maybe some other brands that don't have that build quality that True does. It's better for our employees, and long term it's better for us as owners because of the reliability, the fact that you're not replacing equipment all the time. We knew that the carry out and delivery portion of our business was going to be important. So we started with the equipment. The True equipment was the heart of that design. From the physical build out to the equipment that we use to the staff that provides the service, we want the customer to come in and feel like they're being taken care of. Going back to what an old pizza den would look and feel like, but with modern amenities. We chose True because it's beautiful equipment, and functionally, it exceeds all of our expectations.